One specific forecast has the power to completely change the financial landscape in an era where digital currencies are subject to the whims of market emotion and technological advancements. Suppose we live in a world where one XRP coin is worth $25,000. Fintech specialist James Wallis says this isn't just a pipe dream, it might actually come true. Wallis contends that XRP might reach previously unheard of heights if a few major institutions made certain calculated strategic decisions. However, which banks are these and how can their participation alter XRP's course? Let's explore this fascinating option in more detail. Even though it is frequently eclipsed by more well-known cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, XRP has a special place in the cryptocurrency industry. Compared to other digital currencies, XRP was developed by Ripple Labs with the goal of enabling faster, less expensive, and more scalable alternative transactions. As one of the leading cryptocurrencies at the moment, XRP is unique in that it has strong linkages to established banking institutions, which may be essential to its future growth. Notwithstanding its prominent position, XRP has faced a number of legal and regulatory issues in the past which have had an impact on its success in the market. It is important to comprehend its history and present situation before examining the highly optimistic $25,000 per XRP projection. Renowned finance expert James Wallis recently made news with his astounding forecast that XRP might hit $25,000. This prognosis is grounded in thorough analysis and anticipated critical actions by significant international banks, not in caprice. If verified, this would not only cause XRP's value to soar, but also redefine its market capitalization, possibly elevating it to the status of one of the most valuable assets in the world. The forecast is dependent on multiple factors, featuring a rise in the use of blockchain technology by financial institutions, notable changes to regulatory environments, and advancements in blockchain technology. These components are essential to comprehending the reasons behind the possibility of such a valuation, as well as the enormous effects it would have on the world financial system. One major factor contributing to the emergence of cryptocurrencies has been the use of blockchain technology by conventional institutions. Organizations such as JP Morgan, blockchain solutions are already being investigated or implemented by Goldman Sachs and Santander, indicating that interest in and funding for this technology is expanding. Banks are especially curious about how blockchain can increase transparency, lower fraud, and streamline operations. Their participation has the potential to revolutionize the cryptocurrency space, particularly for XRP, which is marketed as a bridge currency for global banking. According to James Wallis, bank strategic investments could hold the key to releasing XRP's potential enormous price. James Wallis claims that a number of important financial organizations could have a big impact on the price of XRP in the future. These include Standard Chartered, which teamed up with Ripple to facilitate blockchain transactions, HSBC, which has demonstrated a great deal of interest in blockchain for its worldwide transaction services, and Citibank, which is well known for its aggressive digital transformation efforts. Every one of these banks is committed to incorporating new technologies and has a presence in the international financial markets. Wallis contends that XRP's continued acceptance and promotion for use in cross-border transactions may be crucial. XRP's price movement analysis points to an erratic yet promising direction. Historical data reveals notable surges that are usually associated with big announcements about technology developments or bank relationships. Although historical performance does not guarantee future outcomes, technical analysts believe that the current trend lines and RSI levels may predict a substantial breakout, provided that there are noteworthy events in the banking sector. If XRP does indeed hit the projected $25,000 level, there will be enormous repercussions. First off, it would increase XRP's total market value to a level that would compete with significant traditional assets, establishing it as a major player in both the conventional and cryptocurrency financial sectors. This might spark a wider market upswing by raising institutional interest in cryptocurrencies in general. Furthermore, such a value increase would promote XRP's wider acceptance as a transactional currency as opposed to only a speculative one. This change may significantly impact how remittances and foreign transactions are carried out, drastically cutting expenses and transfer times. Though there is potential, XRP hasn't had an easy ride. Significant legal disputes have tarnished it, especially those involving the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, which have occasionally eroded investor confidence. The claims that XRP was offered for sale as an unregistered security are the source of these legal problems. Furthermore, there is a great deal of discussion in the cryptocurrency world regarding XRP's decentralization. Since XRP's consensus mechanism doesn't involve mining, unlike Bitcoin and Ethereum, some purists contend that this renders it less democratic and more prone to manipulation. Experts' responses to the $25,000 prediction for XRP have been inconsistent. Wallis's optimism is echoed by some who see signs of possible success in the changing institutional interest in regulatory contexts. Some are less optimistic. They point to the continued regulatory obstacles and the erratic nature of cryptocurrencies as major roadblocks. Financial analyst Lisa Taylor points out that given the state of the market and unpredictability surrounding regulations, forecasting such a high price point appears unduly optimistic, even though institutional adoption is a possibility. Regarding investors, it would be exciting if XRP could hit $25,000 a coin. It's important to treat these forecasts cautiously, though. Prospective investors ought to think about hedging against volatility, keeping up with legal and market developments, and diversifying their investments. Long-term investors could use this as a chance to add to their holdings, while day traders could profit from the brief price swings brought on by spikes in the news. When compared to its competitors, XRP offers a special situation. XRP's specialty is its use in international banking transactions, in contrast to Ethereum, which is well known for its smart contract capabilities, and Bitcoin, which is largely considered as a store of value. If institutional usage increases, this approach might provide a more consistent development trajectory. But if the forecast comes true, XRP runs the risk of being eclipsed by its bigger competitors once more, which still rule the market in terms of innovation and value. The potential of XRP is dependent on real technology breakthroughs as well as market opinion. Leading the way in this is Ripplenet, the company's worldwide network powered by blockchain technology that provides an instantaneous, safe, and scalable payment system. This technology is always being improved to handle more transactions, save expenses, and boost productivity. To further increase the usefulness and popularity of XRP, Ripple is aggressively developing additional blockchain applications, including tokenization, decentralized finance, and DeFi connections. Taking everything into account, there are a few possible directions that XRP could go in the future. Those looking to profit from possible growth in XRP should stay up to date on developments related to the world financial scene, especially with reference to bank adoption of blockchain technology and legislation pertaining to cryptocurrencies. Employing instruments such as blockchain explorers, market sentiment monitors, and technical analysis software can potentially yield insightful results. Additionally, speaking with financial experts who are knowledgeable in the cryptocurrency space can assist you manage the complexities of such a volatile market by offering specialized guidance. The audacious forecast that XRP will hit $25,000 has generated both enthusiasm and skepticism within the cryptocurrency world. Even though there are several obstacles in the way of such an appraisal, the participation of large banks and ongoing technical advancements may make it possible. XRP's path promises to be one of the most fascinating tales in the developing history of digital currencies, no matter what happens.